Hi beauties, Maria here for Beauty Junkees, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pro Sculptor brush from Beauty Junkees. The Pro Sculptor is ideal to create a beautifully sculpted look. This is a relatively dense brush that comes to a slight taper and point that makes it perfect to really get into the hollows of the cheek for precise application. Because this brush is dense, it applies product with great pigmentation. But also with its soft and tapered tip, it really helps you blend and diffuse your contour out so it won't look too harsh and will leave you with a beautifully sculpted look. To start, dip your brush into the contour shade best suited for you and tap off any excess. Then you'll want to take the brush to the hollows of your cheeks. For precise application, hold your brush horizontally to the hollows of your cheek and sweep the product on that way. Next, to blend the product, turn your brush vertically and sweep the brush over where you have placed the product. You are not adding any additional product when you do this. This just helps to blend everything so it looks more natural. Remember to blend upwards to create some lift. You don't want contour too low, as this can create a 5 o'clock shadow kind of look. Next, if desired, you can contour more of your face by applying it to the perimeters of your forehead, gently patting, sweeping, and blending the product on. You can also continue along your jawline, sweeping product under the jawline from ear towards the chin and then bringing it downwards onto your neck. And that's how you use the Beauty Junkees Pro Sculptor brush to create a beautifully sculpted look. Thanks so much for watching and have a beautiful day.